Daytona current value stream is as follows. The parts come in from every other factory in the company. Then it goes to the devil machine, which cleans off and sort of shines the product. At this point, the product is then put into the laser to be grinded down and lasered down. After that, it goes into the Monza machine, which is also another type of grinding. After that, it is inspected on a microscope here, and then it is sandblasted and diamond blasted after that point. If there is rework that needs to be done, it is done here, and that is the full process. What is wrong with the current value stream, or what we're seeing, is that, and you're looking at these times, while these times seem okay, we are not noticing that there's any standardization at all in anything that's being done. There's no standardization in how many workers there are that are working. Every time we've come, there's been a different amount of workers. The first time we came was 3. This next time we came was 4. And I'm assuming the next time it will be changed as well. That in itself causes a problem in getting any type of time for us to actually get a good standardization process. Also, the machine that has the longest time, the Monza machine, our diameter grinder, has no standardization as well. Sometimes they put in 2, sometimes they put in 3, sometimes they put in 1. It just depends on, again, no standardization, just depends on what they're doing that day.
So this is our future state of the Daytona. We're really focusing on the times right here. As you can see on the devil machine and the lasers, the times seem good. They're getting quite a few parts through in good timing, but really the diameter and the inspection is where we really want to focus on. Right now they're not hitting their 1500 demand, but with this diameter grinder we want to get 5 parts through in 87 seconds to help them. That should help them reach their demand each shift. And then on the microscope, we saw a big discrepancy in inspection processes. The first time we went, someone was inspecting every 3 seconds. The next time, the different person was doing every 20 seconds. So we want to get that down to about a 10-second standardized time. That should help push parts through and get them to their demand of 1,500 parts per shift.
Where we see the future state of our value stream map going is one person will be able to do a number of parts and have it be set. Have him be able to do job rotation, but his job will be clear. Currently, not only is there a lack of training where many people don't know what they're doing or how to work the machines. In fact, only one person fully knows the Monza machine. Not only that, but people are constantly moving around and doing different sets of jobs, which allows no standardization or ability to make accurate observations. This in turn allows for no improvement. Our biggest focus or goal then is to have team members have set, clear, and distinct training and number of jobs and a set and clear process. This is the main focus and where we see our project going, along with small fixes and small identifying of waste to fix and to allow everything to go quicker and smoother and meet our times.